my beautiful people, it is Sherry Moulton back with another video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I need a haircut, my hair is getting long, but enough of that. I hope you're having a great day. Today I want to welcome you if you're new, and please think about subscribing, and welcome back to my OGs. Thank you for sticking with me. So with that being said, I am so excited today. Now, this could be a game-changing product. I am a instant gratification kind of a gal. I want it done. I want it done now. I like that AquaCast. It is quick and it's done in an hour and a half. You can pull it out and it is beautiful. That's my kind of thing. The resin, I have a hard time when sometimes you have to wait, like the deep casting resins, you have to wait like 3 days for it to cure. I am so bad. I want it now. But Let's Resin has gifted me to try this amazing resin. It is cured. Are you ready? 10 minutes. 10 minutes this resin cures. Because it's not a normal epoxy resin. This resin is a polyurethane resin. And I've not used it yet. It is new to them. It is not even in their store. I'm pretty sure it is going to launch today, Friday, today. I am ecstatic to try it. So it comes in these 2 little bottles. It is mixed 1-to-1 with either volume or by weight. And when you mix it, be mindful because it will get hot as you're mixing. So the directions tell me. And it is just crazy. So I'm gonna read through this little pamphlet that came with it. It is a part 1-to-1 molding, 1-to-1 resin, sorry, by weight or by volume. It is, you pour it into the molds and you can demold it after 10 minutes. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. Now, my father worked a lot with resin castings, and that's what he did for a living. Amazing. So I haven't actually talked to him about this yet, so this is kind of cool. So we'll have something to talk about this weekend, Dad. So anyways, so apparently it is a transparent white. So when it cures, it will be white. You can add a pigment to it, but it will be like the AquaCast. I added that deep, 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 deep blue, and it, to me, looks gray. But it would probably be the same with this. But you know, Sherry, we might not put some coloring in it. We might put some glitter. That won't take away the colors. So we're going to try this out. I'm excited. It's the same. Use your PPE with anything you use, my friends. Even some of those glues we use, my friends, are horrid. I have glues that I have that are worse smelling than any resin that I have ever used. So just be mindful, okay? Everything you use your PPE. Read your health and safety regulations on everything. Please, I want you all to stay safe and healthy. I'm, on the other hand, going to come back without my mask on just so I can talk to you people, and hopefully I don't goof it up and have it cure before I get it into here. So when I come back after I've mixed it, I am going to be very, very quick, okay? If that's possible at all. I think that's about all that we need to talk about. It says there's a couple little questions that people have asked. And it's one question is, once it's cured, is it skin safe? It is once you put it in, once it's cured, just like any of our other resins, unless it's sticky or something like that, it will be cured. It will be fine for you to touch. You can put, I'm going to do it in my planter, this new planter mold that I got. You can put it, it is water resistant. It does not, let me see, no. Once the resin is cured, it is pretty much solid like any other plastic material. Water will not disintegrate it. Sorry, I had to, I'm special some days, I'm sorry. But yeah, so I am freaking excited, guys. So I was gonna warm it up in my bath, but I really don't think I'll be doing that because look at It is very, very, very liquid. So I'm gonna go, I have my, I took all my containers to wash them. So I'm gonna go grab my container. I'm gonna mix up my resin, figure out how much I need for this little puppy. And I'm excited. We'll find some of Laura's glitters to put in it. And yeah, this could be such a game changer. I'll be right back, guys. Hi, I am back. Now this is take 2 because I'm going to show you at the end. I mix this up. It doesn't really tell you how long to mix it. And I took my time, and I'll show you a blooper at the end. So I got 10 ounces mixed up. I'm putting some of Laura's glitter. This one is Wedding Day Bliss. We'll look at that at the end, but I have to pour it in while it's liquid and not try it while it is going solid. Here we go. It is warm to touch. They say to pour it into the lowest part first. And if you have a chamber, you could pour it in there. Oh my goodness, Sherry. But at least this is good. I can add another layer. I did it by weight. So that's good. I'm going to have a hole in the bottom of my thing. So with that, I'm going to leave it sit, let it cure, and then I'm going to try and put a second layer on the bottom. So I'll see you guys in a second. This is what happened to the first one. So yeah, I went to add the glitter in, and it went from being very manageable to what in the H. So I have a glittery blob, which is fine. You have to live and learn, and I'd rather me live and learn than you guys not knowing, like, because that's crazy how fast it went. Oh, can you see? Look, 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 look. I'm just gonna leave it on for you guys. This is ridiculous. I didn't even do a timer. It turns white when it is, so it's, okay, so I'm gonna give you, let's see. I need to wipe that off so I don't ruin it. It's been 2 minutes, not even. That's crazy. What I'm gonna do is I will do a time lapse for you guys, and I'll bring you back when it's over. I'll be right back. Okay, I've mixed up another 2 ounces. I've thrown the glitter in. You might have seen me doing it on the side. And I am just gonna put that on here now. Now, reading further on, they suggest you do small cure, like resin things, like jewelry and things like that, little figurines. So I figured this would be fine because I seen the figurine was about that way onto the jug. So to me, that's about, so we're gonna see. I feel bad that I literally wasted, but yeah. Let's see what that white one does, and then I'll time it from 10 minutes from now, and I will come back and we will demold. All right, I'll see you in a sec, guys. Okay, it's been 10 minutes since I put the last one on. My thing is very, very warm. It is hard, and let's do this. Oh my, my. That is awesome. My mold is fine. It's very warm, but it's fine. That is cool. 10 minutes, my friends. And again, like I said, it's warm to touch. There's a little bit of a bubble in there, but I think that's because when I did it was all not poured at the same time. So there's a little bit of a lip in there, but we're going to put stuff in there anyways. It's got Laura's pretty little glitters. It's weird because, I don't know, the little wee bubbles, but it's because, like I said, it's deep, and they're suggesting to use it for very small, medium-sized, let me bring up my paper here. Small to medium-sized sculptures. Make polyurethane models, special effects props, and decorative jewelry. And not a glitterific poop ball, because that's what happened the first time, because literally it took seconds. Like, I could not believe how fast it went from I'm okay to what in the heck. So I have a very beautiful glitterific lump of white poop. It will be a block that I will remember to pay attention the next time. So with that, my friends, I did try, it says here, because that's the only thing that I found was hard. It didn't give you, normally with your resins, it tells you how long to mix for, usually 3 to 5 minutes, that kind of thing. This one didn't really say. It says usable time, 100 to 120. And I had to screenshot with my phone because my eyes are bad and I can't read very well. I can read, but I can't see. So I brought up it very close, and that's what it's saying. It's saying 100 to 120, but I do not know what that means. I don't know if you guys, I'm assuming that it is seconds. 100 to 120 seconds, because like I said, it was like instant. But this is a game changer, guys, for if you want to do the jewelry. I think this would be awesome in jewelry. Very, very cool. And it does suggest to throw it in a vacuum chamber or a, what do you call it? The pots there that everyone uses. Just trying to find it. There you go. Yeah, vacuum machine. And then 30 seconds. For 30 seconds after mixing. But the only thing I said, it doesn't tell you how long to mix for. But it doesn't take much. Just mix it, mix it, mix it. Give it a good mix, and then I would do a quick pour. That's pretty cool. I think I'll be using that as a plant thing for my desk at work. Where are you? I brought you in. There you go. Yeah, so I thought I'd do this as a plant stand for work. So it is actually pretty cool. And again, like I said, it's warm to touch. I don't know if I put glitter in it again because you really don't see it. You can see the flecks in it, which would give it the color. Now on the bottom, you can see that. But that's pretty sweet. So there you go. So I think that this is a game changer, my friends. The poly, here, let me get my glitterific poop out of the way. Polyurethane resin. So go check it out. I will have the link in the description box. It is being released today. Today is Friday, and I have my discount code in there as well. It is, let me just double check it here, my friends. I have so many discount codes, I forget sometimes. My Let's Resin discount code is Sherry M10, capital S, capital M. Now, don't forget, I have 3 different storefronts that that code can be used in. I have the American, I have the Canadian, and I also have the UK. Now, I'm hoping this is available on all those 3 sites. But yes, please go check it out. This is cool. I think it, like I said, I think it would be really, really neat for something, well, like look at this one. I wanted to put it on white, and then I put my stickers on it, and then I did a clear coat. So you could do this with this instantaneously done. put your stickers on and then do a clear coat on top with a different resin, because you wouldn't be able to clear coat with this because it's white. Yeah, I just think it's cool. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am excited. And with that, I'll have everything that I've used in the description box. I'll have all my discount codes in the description box. And I want to thank Let's Resin again for letting me try this out, giving you guys a sneak peek at their new stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Look, I had my nails done. Woohoo! See you later, guys. Love you guys. Bye. I am back. I have mixed up. Oh, it's starting to go. I've mixed up. I'm not putting glitter in it. I guess let's go quick. So this is the Wedding Day Bliss. I'm going to throw just a little shake in there. It's starting to go. Oh my goodness. I think I just ruined it.